Food server for the day. May I come in?
Yes, come in, please.
Sir, you want me to close the door? You can open.
Close the door, please.
Where do you want me to place your breakfast? On top of your bed?
Okay, top of the table, please. Thank you.
Okay, sir. May I present your breakfast?
Yes.
Here is your fresh banana, your fresh water, and of course season. Here is your capsulog and your tablets. Sir, may I
Thank you.
present to you your bill?
Yes, please.
To the amount of 1,000.
Okay, here's my payment, the exact amount.
Sir, I received the exact amount. Here is your receipt. By the way, sir, do you want me to adjust the temperature?
No, it's okay. I can do it
How
myself.
about your card, sir? Do you want me to adjust?
No, thank you.
Okay, sir. If you need anything else, don't hesitate to call our department, food and beverage department. Enjoy your breakfast and have a nice day.
Have a nice day, too.